Gotta get in the water. Tournament just started. Crap. Do it. Get it on. I don't need these. I just need to go. While editing this video, I just realized that I don't have really an intro. This was about a week ago in a little tiny reservoir off a big river called the Des Plaines. And we were catching them pretty good. We have been in the past this time of year. So we decided to go out there and we're having a little tournament. Now, I was running to my kayak because Wyatt gave me a call. He was already in the water and he said tournament starts now. So I was like, gotta go. So that's pretty much that. But I hope you enjoy the video. If you like this stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button before the end of the video so you can see more videos like this that I'll be posting. Alright, let's get to it. I might have to just slow roll these guys out in the open. I don't know. I wish I brought some crankbaits because these fish are busting on shad way out in the middle, not up in the shallow stuff like last week. Get it way up in there. See if I can make some money. Yep. Made a snag. I have to get a little closer. Time to post a video, guys. Doing it for you. I'm in a tournament, but time to post a video. There we go. My Senko's dead, pretty much. Oh, well, that's a fish, I think. Someone got one. No! Oh! No! Well, I'm bringing it back to the top of this spot and letting the wind blow me back down. Let's see if we can't screw it up again. It's gonna be a nightmare. Time to shine. I was like, no! Because I got him all the way to the boat. He jumped out of the water. I got it on video too, so I got proof. Yeah, but I got proof that I had a fish on in case, I don't know, 7. No, it's probably like 6:30, 6. The only bites I can get are in the wind. Like, as soon as I go to a windy spot, I took one cast on that point, got a bite. One cast here, got a bite. Why? Just go at a different spot. Out there? Yeah. On what? Oh my! I wasn't even recording this garbage. It is 13 inches! What? 13, you see that? Exactly 13. But mine's a fatty. Ah! I almost fell out of my kayak.
Ready?
Yeah. No, no! Oh, this is gonna suck, dude. Did you make it though?
What?
Is this where Jaden is?
The final
Shannon!
I don't hear him.
I don't know. I don't know, but if they're where he was, they should be in here too. Oh my goodness! I'm alive! That might be winter. Size? Size. 13 and a half.
That is not 14 and a half.
13 and a half. You came to Jaden's spot after he called me.
You got anything?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't keep toilet paper in my kayak.
You got anything?
What do you mean?
Are you recording?
Yes.
You better not be.
Throw chatterbait. Because these fish, we were catching them on chatterbaits and spinnerbaits over here in this corner. And I got one on a Texas rig. But I'm going to try this micro one and see if I get bit a couple more times. Wyatt's done taking a poo-poo. And now we're going to try to catch a fishy or two. Yeah.
Beer bottle bobber thing.
Oh, that? You want to go look for something? It has a dent in it.
Look for stuff?
Yeah.
We should.
Because
I was just walking down.
we should. It's like that spot has the most cool stuff. No littering.
What if they're stacked in like this corner too? Seems like a lot of time they hit it right next to like any boat. Dude, that's gonna be my outrigger. 2 hours.
This is gonna be a cool looking video just because of this stuff. Yeah.
Which way do we approach it?
Oh crap! I'm gonna break her. We're at a deer cross. You can see the trails. We're sitting right here right now. We're right here. If we go out and go right here, that's like 30 feet. We have time. It gets dark at 8. We got an hour. And it's like starts getting dark. Let's head out there and check out this creek because this picture was taken when the creek was low. Like that creek it was huge and the water is crystal clear in it. I saw a buffalo carp this big swimming in it, in the small part of it.
These would be like good chill spots.
If I can land it. Whenever you say, there's a nicer one too. Look at that. It's girthy. Whenever you say, let's go. He is 13. Yep, right there, 13. Okay, that works. They're just barely tapping it too. Like I felt the tap and I'm like, got one. And then it came back. Look at all that. It's all garbage. Oh my goodness. My paddles are getting stuck. Bill, dance it.
Hold on. I'm done.
Time to rise and grind. See who won. I gotta get out of here fast. It's about to close. Oh, I forgot to unlock the car. What did it say the battery's low? Ah!
Get it, I kind of got this.
Kind of.
Push it. Push yours. Great.
Got 3 small ones. How'd you guys do?
A couple 14-inch bass.
That's what mine were, about 14.
Yeah. We got, I don't know, 5 or 6 each.
Oh, that ain't bad. How long were you out?
Since 4 o'clock.
And I got here about 2 hours ago, so
Yeah.
a couple of hours, not too bad.
Yeah.
Yep.
On the lipless, I see, right?
What's that?
On the lipless crankbait?
I was showing a rattle trap.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I didn't bring mine. If I brought mine, I would have thrown it. I was looking around and I'm like, that would have been the perfect bait. We got them on spinner baits and Texas rigs.
Yeah.
So, yeah, quite a bit. Tried to.
What's the biggest you got?
5.5.
That's a good one.
I just caught an 18-incher a couple weeks ago out here.
That's a beauty.
That's the last big one I got. Yeah, they're all trying to come in here right now to spawn, so
Yeah.
trying to get out here as much as possible. The water's still pretty nasty from the high water though,
Yeah.
so it's
I was out here the other day and it was up here.
that's crazy.
It was in the parking lot. They had this closed.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's still a lot of water standing in here. All right, see ya. Good luck. We ended up packing up the kayaks and getting to this pond that we like fishing really quick, trying to pick up a few more fish before it got dark. We showed up here. This is pre-spawn in this pond right now. When I'm editing this, they're on their beds in that pond now, and I have videos coming your way from bed fishing it, and it was awesome. I got some underwater footage. Anyways, this is pre-spawn, like right before the spawn, the week before. So we hit it up, took a few casts, and got a few fish. Here they are. Maybe we would catch a fish.
There's a fish. Oh, let's double up.
Jump! Jump, baby, jump!
I might get one up here.
Dude, look how long this thing is. Big. Yeah.
Dude, he choked it. I kind of want to picture that.
I need to get a swim bait on, but I don't have any with me.
He literally.
Bluegill swim bait, the hard one?
Yeah, I'd throw it if you like that. The Academy one?
Yeah. I love those things.
Braidwood Lake. It's really dark out, but I got this nice one.
I don't think they can see anything anyways. We're gonna go eat some munchies. We're at McDonald's. If you made it this far in the video, I got mad props for you. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. If you haven't yet, go check out more of my videos on my channel. They're pretty cool. This wasn't my best one. I have a lot of good ones out there, like the one I just had 2 days ago where I fished on the Calsag River. That was one of my best tournaments ever. Best bag ever, and that's the name of the video. Best edits ever too. Go check it out, it's awesome. Also just recorded him eating, and I am doing a real cleaning video right now. They'll be posted later on, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, leave a like, leave a comment, go down below, hit that subscribe button. See you guys on the next vid.